Hey everyone! Do you want naturally glowing, fresh, and flawless skin without spending a fortune at salons or using chemical-based products? Well, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you a complete natural facial routine that you can do at home using simple, easily available ingredients. This facial will not only give you an instant glow but also make your skin healthier and younger over time. So stay with me till the end, because I'll also explain the science behind each step. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step is cleansing, to remove dirt, oil, and pollution from your skin. DIY Natural Cleanser. 1 tablespoon raw milk. 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Mix and apply with a cotton pad. Massage gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash with cool water. Why this works: milk contains lactic acid that exfoliates gently, and lemon juice is rich in vitamin C which helps brighten the skin. Step 2. Scrubbing. Now it's time to scrub, which removes dead skin cells and smoothens your skin texture. Natural scrub. 1 tablespoon gram flour, Bisan. 1 tablespoon crushed oats. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Rose water or milk to make a paste. Massage it gently on your face for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse off. Skin type tip: oily skin? Use rose water. Dry skin? Use milk or honey. Step 3. Steaming. Steaming opens up your pores and helps in deep cleansing. Take a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and steam your face for 5 to 7 minutes. Bonus tip: add neem leaves or mint for extra detox benefit. This step improves circulation and softens blackheads too. Step 4. Face pack. Now for the star of the facial, your face pack. Glowing skin pack. 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. 1/2 teaspoon honey. 2 tablespoons rose water. Mix well, apply evenly on the face, and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water once dry. Why this works: Multani Mitti tightens pores, aloe vera soothes and heals, honey hydrates, and rose water tones your skin. Step 5. Toning. After washing the face pack, use a natural toner to close your pores. DIY toner, rose water. Optional: 2 drops of tea tree oil. Spray on your face or apply with a cotton pad for a refreshing effect. Step 6. Moisturizing. Never skip moisturizing. It locks in all the goodness. Natural moisturizer, aloe vera gel. A few drops of almond oil or vitamin E oil. Massage gently into your skin using upward strokes. Your skin will feel soft, plump, and glowy. And that's it, your complete natural facial for glowing skin. If you do this routine just once a week, you'll see a real difference in your skin, naturally radiant, smooth, and healthy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite step, and subscribe for more skincare secrets and natural beauty tips.